The war between Russia and Ukraine continues with full force. The parties are fighting fiercely to gain superiority in the Black Sea. Russian merchant ships passing through the Black Sea are constantly under attack from Ukrainian missiles. In fact, a Russian merchant ship that was hit requested assistance from Turkey and docked at our port. Ukraine recently attacked a Russian merchant ship sailing within our maritime borders in the Black Sea and was warned by the Turkish Ministry of Defense. During this war, the Turkish Navy is patrolling the Black Sea to prevent any violations of engagement rules. TC Anadolu has also been deployed in the Black Sea. The Black Sea has turned into a war zone. Turkey is doing its part in this regard. It has secured its maritime borders. It has limited itself to issuing warnings to countries that violate engagement rules. It has allowed merchant ships in need of assistance to pass through the Black Sea. Turkish ships heading to Ukraine encounter conflicts between the two countries. Despite this, they continue to conduct trade in dangerous waters. They are attempting to import grain from Ukraine under the shadow of war. The courage of Turkish sailors is admirable. They are attempting to conduct trade without fear under the shadow of war. On December 16, 2025, an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, infiltrates our airspace over the Black Sea. This intelligence UAV attempts to advance within our airspace. The unmarked UAV, whose tail number is unknown and to whom it is providing intelligence, silently advances within our borders. A statement from the Ministry of Air Defense says that the UAV was detected the moment it entered our border. It is said that it was secretly tracked after being detected and was subsequently shot down by our F-16 fighter jet in a suitable location away from residential areas, between Çankırı and Elmadağ. Did it really happen this way, or was the UAV detected too late? This situation raises the following question: are our air defense radars not working properly? Or was permission given for the UAV to gather intelligence, because afterwards our aircraft and military depot bases in this region were moved to safer locations? Which country wants to gather intelligence about us, and what are they trying to do? Are they trying to drag us into the ongoing war? We will never know for sure. However, we must know that we have to take all necessary military precautions in our region, which is like a shirt of fire. In this regard, it is very important that Eurofighter aircraft are immediately added to our inventory. Otherwise, our F-16 aircraft could be shot down without any defense from very long ranges. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on notifications.